Have you ever been on the go and wished you had access to your business phone system? Or maybe you're a remote worker who needs to stay connected to your team. If so, Nextiva Anywhere is the perfect solution for you. In this video, I'll show you how to use Nextiva Anywhere to make and receive calls, send and receive text messages, and access your voicemail from anywhere in the world. Nextiva Anywhere is a cloud-based phone system that allows you to connect with your customers and employees from anywhere. It's a great option for businesses of all sizes, and it's especially helpful for remote workers. In order to use Nextiva Anywhere, you'll need a Nextiva account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for one at Nextiva website. Once you have an account, you can download the Nextiva Anywhere app to your smartphone or tablet. How to make and receive calls with Nextiva Anywhere. Open the Nextiva Anywhere app. Tap on the Call tab. Enter the phone number you want to call. Tap on the Call button. To receive a call, you'll need to have the Nextiva Anywhere app open on your device. When you receive a call, you'll see a notification on your screen. Tap on the notification to answer the call. How to send and receive text messages with Nextiva Anywhere. Open the Nextiva Anywhere app. Tap on the Text tab. Enter the phone number you want to text. Type your message. Tap on the Send button. To receive a text message, you'll need to have the Nextiva Anywhere app open on your device. When you receive a text message, you'll see a notification on your screen. Tap on the notification to read the message. How to access your voicemail with Nextiva Anywhere. Open the Nextiva Anywhere app. Tap on the Voicemail tab. Tap on the Check New Messages button. You can listen to your voicemail messages by tapping on the message you want to hear. You can also delete voicemail messages by tapping on the Delete button. Additional features. Nextiva Anywhere offers a number of additional features, including the ability to transfer calls between devices, the ability to set up call forwarding, the ability to create custom call groups, the ability to integrate with other business applications. Nextiva Anywhere is a powerful and easy-to-use phone system that can help you stay connected with your customers and employees from anywhere. If you're looking for a way to improve your business communications, I highly recommend Nextiva Anywhere. If you're interested in learning more about Nextiva Anywhere, please visit our website or give us a call. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.